My name is Jenny Merkley. I'm an Executive Director at the Department of Climate Change, Energy, Environment and Water in New South Wales, and I lead the Business and Industry Decarbonisation Division. So the government at the moment is really focused on our net zero plan. The net zero plan for 2035 is going to be setting out what initiatives, what we need to do as in New South Wales to achieve our abatement targets for 2030 and 2035. So we've got legislative targets around a 50% reduction by 2030 and a 70% reduction by 2035. We're already on track with the decarbonisation of the electricity grid, but now we've got coming to a lot of the harder to abate sectors, and renewable heat is a real opportunity with some really commercially viable opportunities already there at the moment. Conferences like this are a great way to bring together, industry, businesses and government to collaborate and look at how we can find opportunities to abate carbon emissions through renewable heat.